guys, so do you like our new awesome homemade slime? So we'll show you how to make it. So I'm just going to tell you. What you do is, you grab some glue, put it into a bowl, then put some shaving cream in, mix for about like 2 to 4 minutes, then right, then you add in some colour if you really need to. We've added some glitter to ours. And then that's the point where you add the contact lens solution.
Make sure it doesn't have salt in it or the slime will not form.
Because if salt in it wouldn't work. You need to have boric acid. So
that's what that's also the same thing that you don't want.
Yeah. So if you do that, don't worry, just throw that away. It's perfectly fine to put it down the drain, but so when you do it, you put in the contact lens solution, you get this. You mix for a while, and you get this.
George, it's not in view. Oh, it is.
Wait, it's just in view to see the particles.
Oh, George, yours look real weird. Right, now it's my turn. Move your slime. Move your slime.
I'm filming a video on our slime.
What am I doing?
I know. Right, so time to do more slime holes. Oh wait, it's not in view. Right. Oh, it's not in view then. Are you ready, guys? Wait, guys, just wait until it's kind of into a small bubble. That's when you can poke it and it makes the noise. We're not adding sound effects.
We are not.
Please, we're not liars. Oh no! That's in good view. Right. 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 This is fun.
Rips. Super simple.
Meow, meow,
we do not own this song. If you think about suing us, please don't.
Because our baby just likes listening to
don't want to end up like don't want to end up like Violet Bloom, do I?
It's every day, bro, like a Disney Channel.
Oh my gosh, mother!
Can you shut the door? Okay.
Oof. Ooh.
Right. Wait. A bit like here. Do you like our golden slime that's completely homemade?
Yeah. It's homemade, but use it. Your ASMR in the wrong slime.
Oh, damn it.
It looks like sand.
I know. But it's not, it's really gold. And behind all this gold and this is just white, isn't it?
Yep.
Yep. Trick or treat. Nothing good to eat. Right, are you ready?
I'm not ready yet.
Tell them a story that recently happened, Harry.
What? Why?
Just tell them.
What story?
Well, any story.
Lenny.
What? Honey?
Lenny?
What?
What story do you want me to tell
I
you?
don't know. Just no. Hope you like our slime, guys.
I don't have a shirt on, please excuse me. So if you don't like round boys without shirts on,
Round boys without shorts.
I advise you click this video off. Plus, you guys, if any of you guys have watched the Violet Bloomiac, so the comment section will explain.
Everyone's going viral about it with hate comments.
Yep. Just to be clear though, Wolf of the Wolf I responded to appropriately. This fan lady door is apparently is calling me cringy. I find his comments most amusing. So fan lady door, if you're watching this, your comments mean nothing to me.
Oh! Harry!
Oh, I just buried him.
Well done. Look, mine's running to a puddle like yours. Guys, look at my puddle.
Look at my puddle. Look at my puddle, boy.
Mine's better.
This is not giant-sized slime.
But it is quite big. Look at it!
I just buried someone on the
Well done,
internet.
Harry.
I feel smart. Your comments mean nothing to me.
Yeah, but when the nice ones to do.
Yeah.
Now, if you're out there and you've commented nice comments, good for you.
Only Melina and Jude have really done that though.
Yeah, and Melina
No.
your brother needs to hold the camera properly.
No, you need to learn how to hold a camera.
Well, that's quite rude still.
It's not rude considering that you shut the camera up on like this.
I was only doing that to make it look cool.
Well, it wasn't cool.
Hope you like our slime, guys.
Also, this is don't listen to that bit where I called someone Melinda. That's I think that's those are the privacy reasons. Okay?
Girlfriend. Just kidding, I don't even have a girlfriend. He's lonely. He's only with me and his other brother. That he calls it.
And also, if you guys call me cringy, I will laugh at your comments because I am a savage. Well, I'm not savage, but
Oh!
I don't particularly find hate easy to hurt. You know, if you're like me, because I'm made of stone.
But
I'm like the thing.
it's like butter.
George, if the pimples invaded. Wow, so much amazement.
How do you spread it out like that?
That looks disturbing.
Oh. That's not right. Ew, get up. Right, let's do who's got the best slime.
Me, clearly.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Oh my god.
Wait, now we'll compare the height of them. How does it run into a puddle like that?
Because it's slime.
I don't get slime. So, how's that?
Let's make that now. Round 1, noise. You go first.
You won that one. Well done there.
Second, ability to spread out. Which pretty much means how to butter it. Woo.
Have I won this one? I'm spreading like butter. Come on.
Oh no. What have I done?
Do you guys want to know Melanie?
No!
Why not?
Leave her name private.
Why?
Because I don't think she wants her name revealed on the internet.
Well, I just told them. I'm just kidding, isn't Melanie something very different?
It's John.
John's my girl's name.
John. Johnette. If this is hurtful to the person that we're talking about, then I am sorry. I really apologise.
Let me.
Oh my goodness, George.
Melanie.
Someone.
I mean John. John. Alright, we're not actually calling you John. But we do know your real name.
Yes, okay.
We're just saying John because we don't want anyone on the internet knowing your real name.
Okay.
When's John going to post?
John has posted a few days ago.
Is it just saying hi, guys?
No. There's a really ugly hand. Get off. Slime.
Yay, more slime! Have I stole all the slime?
Yes.
Can you make a happy face? Sorry about that.
It's not about the content, it's about the heart to do so.
Yep.
Alright, so that's the end of the video, you guys, because we're running out of time, and so that's it.
And
goodbye. Turn on notifications, subscribe, leave a like, and comment down how awesome I am, and share it to your amazing friends. See you. Goodbye.